Hi there. Today I thought I would do something a little different. We're not going to be cooking, we're going to be looking at a Home Chef box and how they come in the mail. It is a really nice service where they design recipes and they'll either auto-select or you can choose what meal you want any particular week, and they send you all the pre-portioned ingredients. It comes in a cardboard box with insulation and these cooling blocks, which are reusable if you want to refreeze them. All your ingredients come together in a bag. These are your veggies and kind of little things that go with it. And then on the bottom, don't forget to look under this piece of cardboard for your meat products. Because they need to be colder, they're stored on the bottom with an extra ice pack. I live in Texas and I find even in the summer the bags come in cool. This time I got a shrimp dish and a fish dish. Their ingredients are very good quality and it's a very decent sized portion, and the recipes are not too difficult to cook, which I like, and it kind of challenges me to try new recipes. I find I get in a rut where I always go to the grocery store and I buy the same thing week after week because that's what I'm used to. But this is a nice change and it's convenient. It's a little more affordable than a restaurant, but not as affordable as doing your own grocery shopping. So this is the Greek Panko crusted fish recipe, which is cod, which is a white fish, and it comes with these tiny packets of mayonnaise, some already peeled garlic cloves, the breadcrumbs. These are Japanese style Panko breadcrumbs, a little bit of feta cheese, there's a red bell pepper, and a zucchini, some crushed red pepper, and a lemon. I find the vegetables will last in your refrigerator for about a week, so you don't have to necessarily cook things right away. And then Firecracker shrimp comes with green onions. I like that now they have the roots at the bottom, so they last a little longer. Some rice, it's jasmine rice, mandarin oranges, some teriyaki sauce, and a spicy red pepper. Some water chestnuts, and a little bit of sriracha sauce in little packets.